In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple Bitcoin wallets in Coinbase. Start by signing into your Coinbase account. Next, it's important to know that Coinbase does not let you create multiple separate Bitcoin wallets within the same exchange account. Instead, your account uses a single Bitcoin wallet that can generate multiple receiving addresses. After that, go to Assets and select Bitcoin. Now click Receive to open your Bitcoin receiving address. Next, if a new receiving address is available, Coinbase will automatically generate one for you. You can use this new address to receive Bitcoin while all of your funds remain in the same Bitcoin wallet. After that, if your goal is to have completely separate Bitcoin wallets with different recovery phrases and independent balances, you'll need to use Coinbase Wallet instead of your Coinbase Exchange account. Finally, install Coinbase Wallet, create an additional wallet by following the setup process, and securely back up the recovery phrase for each wallet you create. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create multiple Bitcoin wallets in Coinbase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.